Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack any amount of files into a RAR or ZIP file archives using an app called RAR on your OPPO Find X5 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to find and locate the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and camera. There's a few pictures here. Now in order to select any file that we want to pack, we'll need to press on this button right here and select any files that you want to pack, and then press on this plus button right here. Now you will see a lot of options which you can change. So here you can set the name for your RAR or ZIP file. Let's call it pictures. The next options are to choose extension for the file, and you can do it by changing it like that, and you can set it to RAR, ZIP or RAR 4.x. You can enable to delete the files after archiving, and after changing to a RAR, you'll be able to create solid archive. You can set the password for the archive, so let's do it with 123. And if you're not sure that you typed in correctly, you can show the password. You can also encrypt the file names. Press OK to save that, and we can go to advanced options, which you can change right here. There's also a lot of more options in this table right here. Now go to comments to add any comment about your file. You can leave anything here. Now let's go back to the general and press OK to actually pack our files. And as you can see, the pictures.rar was created, and we'll be able to unpack it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.